Anti-inflammatory peptides. The main one's going to be the Wolverine protocol, BPC 157, thymosin beta. So research has shown that BPC 157 has anti-inflammatory effects in the body, and in combination with thymosin beta will actually improve the anti-inflammatory effects of BPC by tenfold. Typically together, they're called the Wolverine protocol. I have specific protocols that you do for inflammation. If you're dealing with IBD or IBS, so Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or any gastrointestinal disease, you can take oral capsules of BPC 157. I typically take those at night. Those are great. But there's KPV, there's other anti-inflammatory peptides that are all linked to a BPC 157. Let's just say you're dealing with a shoulder injury, an elbow injury, knee injury, low back. BPC 157 thymosin beta will be great for that as well. It's been shown to improve connective tissue, collagen production, cartilage production. Clinically, I've seen in the beginning of practice, I was like, hey, patients will experience 20% better or 30% better with BPC and thymosin beta. But now I've clinically seen 60%, 65% of patients get better with torn rotator cuffs, spinal stenosis, torn meniscus, specifically with just using the peptides.